Hello, embedded system lovers. So you've searched how to build a PC and Ben Eater 8-bit computer, but have you ever seen the heart of a computer simulated live? No breadboards, no components, no soldering. This is an 8-bit register with full bus control running inside Proteus. And this is exactly the circuitry inside early processors. So watch what happens as each line activates, how the control signals drive data on and off the bus, and how the register captures the transfer values. This is literally the blueprint of how your gaming PC moves information internally. So imagine this: a complete 8-bit computer with clock, ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, RAM, control unit, all built inside Proteus, all on this channel, step by step. If you want the full computer from scratch series in Proteus, tell me right now in the comments. Write Proteus 8-bit series. So embedded system lovers, I would like to get your reactions to this series. If you're interested in this series, it will give me the motivation and the encouragement needed to create an entire playlist. But I don't just want to create videos without knowing if someone is interested in learning about how computer works by us building an 8-bit computer from scratch and building every section of this computer without spending a dime on the actual component. So we're going to be using Proteus 8 simulation to build every single part of the computer. But I would like to get your reactions to this video so I can be encouraged, and also for the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to others, so my team and I can work on this series together. So we are willing to create the series, but we want to be sure that we have an audience who would love this series, because I'm creating the videos for you, not for myself, right? So I want to know, please like this video. If I get more likes, say 200 likes and probably 200 comments of the number of persons that want us to create a series on this to simulate the entire 8-bit computer and do a detailed and a thorough explanation of this series,